I'm going to show you how to create a children's storybook that you can sell on Etsy or even Amazon KDP quickly and easily using Canva, ChatGPT, and Nano Banana. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to ChatGPT. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a 10-page children's storybook. As you can see, it generates the full story for me in seconds. Next, I'll have ChatGPT create 10 image prompts that match each page of the story. Now that I have my image prompts, I'm going to head over to Google Gemini and use Nano Banana to generate the images. I'll copy my first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Nano Banana, wait a few seconds, and boom, there's my first illustration. I'll repeat this process for all 10 prompts. As you can see, the characters stay consistent, which makes Nano Banana perfect for creating children's storybooks. Once all my images are finished, I'll download them to my device and head over to Canva. Inside Canva, I'll search for storybook templates. There are plenty of pre-made options, but for this example, I'm going to start with a blank design. To match my story, I'll add 10 pages by clicking Add Page. I've already uploaded my images, so now I'll place one image on each page and set it as the background. I'll repeat this for all 10 pages. Next, I'll add the text from ChatGPT. I'll copy the text for each page and paste it into Canva. If the text is hard to read, I'll add a background behind it and adjust the size and placement. I can also change the font by going into the Design tab and choosing a font set that fits the style of my storybook. I'll repeat this process for each page until the entire book is complete. Once I'm happy with how everything looks, I'll name my storybook and download it as a PDF. At this point, you can sell it on Etsy, upload it to Amazon KDP, or even sell it directly on your own website. If you want to take it a step further and turn your book into an interactive flipbook, click Share at the top of Canva, then See All. Under the Design section, you'll find options to export your book as a flipbook. I personally use Hazine Flipbooks. Once exported, you can click View to see your storybook as a flipbook. You can even sell flipbooks, but keep in mind the free version only allows up to 10 pages. And that's it. That's how you can create a children's storybook in under 10 minutes using Canva and AI. If you want my storybook, coloring book, and character prompts, I'll link them below in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.